So today I was asked to show the students how to fold the flag and speak about my experience in the Army, and also teach them about the meaning of folding the flag. I think it's important to talk to the kids, to share experiences with the new generation, because they are the future. So you have to let them know what happened in the past, let them know what things mean. A lot of the times people just see the flag, they don't know what it means, especially it's been in the media lately. So they need to understand why it is that we have a country and what the flag means.